Meaning of initial.
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 Initial. Initial refers to something that occurs at the beginning or first stage of a process, journey, or period. It can also refer to the first letter of a word. For example, an initial investment is the amount of money put into a business at the beginning. In medicine, the initial diagnosis is the first diagnosis made by a doctor before further tests are conducted. In summary, initial signifies the starting point or first step in a sequence of events, and is commonly used across various fields such as business, science, and technology.